Hello guys. Today is a very special day in my cuisine because I'm gonna cook roasted duck for my hubby. It's his birthday today. Excuse me. This is birthday today, July 31. First, I have here a duck. The duck. So I pat it dry. I already dry it and pat it dry with paper towel. And first, I'll sprinkle it with salt, kosher salt. Now, I will wrap it. We're gonna rub the 5 spice. The 5 spice. Just keep rubbing it. The 5 spice in the whole body. It's just like you're wrapping it. Yeah, you have to wrap it everything. Keep rubbing it, sprinkle it with that 5 spice. Next, after that, and put it in the fridge and let it in and let it stay there for 1 hour to dry it. While I'm waiting to dry it for an hour, now I have here 2 cups of water. I'm gonna add the hoisin sauce, and then the honey. You guys just calculate it. I'm just calculating it. I don't need to. And next is I have here the rice vinegar. It's not rice vinegar. It's a rice cooking wine. Rice vinegar. Next is I have here the balsamic vinegar, the Italian balsamic vinegar. And next is the soy sauce. And then that's it. And then keep stirring it up to evaporate everything. Now next is I'm putting it in my casserole. So to heat it, you have to heat it at least to boil. Now it's not you don't need to wait to boil it. It's just when it's hot already. Now the 1 hour is done. I have here the duck. So now I'm baiting it with the liquid that I heat. Keep baiting it, baiting. Keep baiting it all over the body and inside to make it even. Keep baiting. To make it even. Now on the other side. Now it's done. Transfer it back to the roasting rack and let it dry for 3 hours, or it's better 24 hours. But you know, I don't have time to dry it for 24 hours, so I just let it dry for 3 hours. Okay. That came from the milk, that's the one that I make the liquid. This is the liquid that I left that left on the when I'm baiting the duck. Now I'm making it as sauce. I'm cooking it right now as a sauce. I don't need to add flour because it's already thickened. And it looks so good. The sauce is ready. It's cooked already. This is it look like when it's really dry up. But if you dry up for overnight, it's gonna be more better. But I don't have, but it's okay. I dry it up for 3 hours. 3 hours is fine already. That's already been dry up. See, it look nice. Now, it's time to put it in the oven and bake it for 3 hours. 1.5 hours the other half, and 1.5 hours the other half, the other side. And then at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I already preheat the oven for at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. But before that, to make it more tastier, my duck, I'm gonna add some ingredients. See, I have here apples. So I'm gonna put it inside in there. So I just cut it into half to taste it, the smells of the, you know, the goodness smell of the apples. It's really good. Take out this, so I'll put it inside. Yeah, I'll show it to you guys. See, the other side, I'll put it on by downward. The apples, it helps to balance all the flavoring. So that even both. And then some scallions. Just crush it a little bit. Wow, I smells the scallion is really good. And put it inside also. I drop the this. And then 2 cloves of garlic. Just scratch it with skin on. The other one is on the top and the other one is on the bottom. And then close it, and then it's time to put it in the oven. See, before I show it to you, before I put it in the oven, it's already here. See, it's the stomach. The stomach should be face up, and then the legs, I put it apart like that. This is the one that I learned to my Chinese friend. There's a lot of, you know, they tie it and then put it the back like that. But no, my Chinese friend told me how you do it. It's just like this, the Cantonese, his Cantonese. So like that, and then just this, the wings is like that. Okay? Now I'm putting it now in the oven. Look how beautiful. Oh my God. It's already cooked the other half. Now I will flip it over to cook the other half. Now it's cooked already. Wow, it's ready to set up. I'm gonna garnish it with napa cabbage and raspberries. Wow, it looks so good. It looks so delicious. See? Now I have my Oh my. My roasted duck is ready. Now, I'm setting it up, my roasted duck. I have here my garnish, the napa cabbage. I'm making the napa cabbage as the garnish. See, look at that. It looks beautiful. And now, next is I'm gonna transfer now the cooked roasted duck. And then next is I'm gonna add the potato medley. My potato medley. My God, it smells in the whole house, in my whole kitchen, the smells of the cooked duck. Oh my God, smells so good, so delicious. And now I'm adding as a garnish also, the raspberries. Yeah, I learned that raspberries is when you eat it together with as a dessert with your duck, it helps to, I don't know in English, to take off the umay thing. Yeah. So at least it makes you burp. Yeah, it makes you burp after you eat that. Ooh, looks so beautiful. Here comes. Here comes my cooked roasted duck with a sauce, with a
Okay, you eat
sauce
first before you blow. Happy
for
birthday.
my
Love you,
hubby.
sweetheart.
And I put a candle to blow it.
So how would you like it, sweetheart?
Okay,
Your birthday, my birthday gift to you. Your favorite duck, roast duck. So it tastes better than eating outside. Huh? Are you happy?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Do you like the sauce? So how would you like it with the sauce?
Okay.
Very good. Okay.
God bless everyone. Thank you for watching. Be safe.